Is a simple tip you can try today. Here's a way to break down your time on TikTok so you can make the most out of it even on a busy day. The first 5 minutes are going to be spent creating 2 pieces of content. One's going to be a trend and one's going to be evergreen. Evergreen meaning a value bomb kind of content. Also, if you don't want to go searching for a trend, be sure to sign up for our trends list that we send out on every Friday. It's in our Leo in Bink. The next 5 minutes are going to be spent responding to any comments that you've received or any DMs. It might not take you 5 minutes, but it's an estimate. And if it's going to take you more than 5 minutes, you don't have to respond to everybody. So just respond to your early squad. Don't feel like you feel the pressure of responding to every. 5 minutes are going to be spent doing outreach, meaning you're going to go like people's videos, comment on people's videos, follow people, but make sure that you're actually liking, commenting, and following people in your ideal client list, not necessarily in your specific niche. If you found this helpful, be sure to follow along for more.